In the heart of a deep jungle lived a bird with feathers like no other. But instead of being admired, he was mocked.
Looking at his reflection, he whispered, "Why am I so different? Why can't I just fit in?" Then came the day of the great festival. While everyone danced, our colorful friend hid in the shadows.
Suddenly, a stray beam of sunlight caught his feathers. And then, a miracle happened. The whole forest went silent. They weren't laughing anymore. They were mesmerized.
The birds cheered. "You are the most beautiful of us all."
Moral: confidence is the true essence of beauty. Embrace your colors.